Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got something pretty cool. We had a couple of companies send us some products to test out and tell you how we feel they perform and what they're like. So I had a couple companies reach out to me. The first one is Miko with these air blowers. Don't know how well you can see that. So it's a little handheld air blower. That one is not for right now, but the other stuff that we've got is ProFibers sent us a whole box of goodies here. They sent us microfibers. So if you're a detailer or if you are somebody who even is an enthusiast at home and cleans your car, you know how important it is to have good microfibers. Good microfibers are a make or break for a car detailing business or just for somebody looking to do the job correctly at home, care for your vehicle the way that you want it taken care of. And a good drying towel can also, for a professional detailer, can increase your efficiency, just because a bad drying towel is going to make it take forever to dry your vehicle. You've got blowers and all sorts of stuff that can work as well, but a drying towel is a must, and a good one really can make your job so much easier. So without further ado, this is ProFibers Juggernaut Ultimate Drying Towel. Everything will be linked below. I'll get all that taken care of. We're just gonna do one by one because they sent me a whole box of several different types and they all are for different reasons. I am washing and waxing a car today, so we're gonna test out the drying capabilities of this this Juggernaut. So this thing rocks a 1600 GSM thickness, which is kind of impressive. Right off the bat, it feels nice. It's dense for sure. This thing I'm sure is going to be able to hold a lot of water, and it's big. Look at this. I mean, I am just for reference, I am 6'2", and this thing is, I mean, over half of my body. I don't know how much of that you can see on the screen, but the exact measurements are 28 by 36. So yeah, this is a big drying towel. This is bigger, I think, than the Mammoth by Chemical Guys, which is also another good drying towel. So it's a 70/30 premium microfiber blend. I don't know a whole ton about all of the blends and all that. I just know that something along the lines of 70/30 usually means it feels a little bit more rough. But those have also generally been the drying towels that soak up and absorb the absolute most. So let's see how that works, and let's get this thing tested. Give me 1 second. We're gonna get this vehicle pressure washed off. Alright, so this vehicle is not coated. It doesn't even have a wax on it. It actually just had hail damage, and the customer is bringing it to us to get its first wax job. So this is a great test, uncoated. This is going to be the hardest job that a drying towel has to do, is a uncoated surface, because ceramic coated or waxed surfaces dry off very easily. Automatically, I love the weight of this. This towel is nice and heavy, which is great for drying off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, all of that water is gone. That immediately soaked everything up, and the towel doesn't even feel damp yet. Yeah, immediately gone. All that water. Oh yeah. Okay. So, off rip, This thing is lovely. So this thing, yeah, it doesn't even feel damp, and I just had puddles of water get soaked up. This doesn't even feel like it's had water on it yet. Okay, so this towel is absolutely. I will have to, in the comments, I will pin in the comments how much this towel is. I think this is phenomenal. This works amazing. I'm gonna dry off the rest of the vehicle and give a final opinion, and then I'll come back to you guys. And then I want your guys' opinions in the comments, because if you buy this or if you have used anything from ProFibers, I did not know about this company until they reached out to me. And this drying towel is working better than this. This is working better than 90% of drying towels that I've used. And they do not pay me. I do not have a partnership with them. I just have a YouTube channel, and they have a need for promotion. So they send content creators like myself these products to test out and give you my opinion. And in my opinion, that just soaked up all the water in a grill. And again, it just doesn't even feel like it's been wet yet. So this is amazing. Let's get the rest of this vehicle dried off, and then I will give you final thoughts, okay? All right, you guys. So now that vehicle is dried off, I've gathered my final opinions. I kind of, as soon as I opened the package, I kind of knew that this was going to be a good one. Again, the 70-30 blend of microfiber. This is, you would open this and you'd probably think, oh, okay, this feels kind of rough. That is a wonderful thing, in my opinion, for car drying rags. That works exceptionally well. And I'll pin the price on the video itself and in the comments so that you know. But in comparison to some really expensive drying towels that I have used and seen, this thing is probably a 9 out of 10. It works exceptionally well. I know I've said it a couple of times, but it does. That is a unwaxed, uncoated vehicle. A lot of drying towels, if it's not a waxed, coated, or whatever have you vehicle, you will go to dry it off and you drag the towel along and it's just trails of little water beads left behind. That is not even a thought. It soaked up everything, and this towel is still, it's still dry. Basically, I could probably dry off another vehicle, maybe even 2. Like, my hand is not even damp from drying off this is a Tacoma, so it's not a huge vehicle by any means, but it is not a sedan or a coupe either. So, like, this thing, I could imagine I could probably dry off 3 or 4 coupes. I mean, unless it fills up quickly after, like, the first vehicle, but I can't even wring water out of it. So yeah, this is a win for sure. And again, this is I have quite a few more from ProFibers to check out, but this is ProFibers Juggernaut. Again, ProFibers Juggernaut. This is not a sponsorship. They just sent me some products, asked me to test them out for you guys, for my viewers, my subscribers, and give my honest opinion, because I run a detailing business. I use products like this every day, and being able to find a product that is efficient, cost effective as well, because there's towels out there that cost upwards of $100. It's ridiculous. I mean, they're big, they're great. Chemical Guys has branding, so you're paying more for the brand. This beat for sure the Chemical Guys Mammoth. I've used all sorts of different drying towels, and this one is a win for sure. So if you're looking for a drying towel for your vehicle, whether you're DIY or you're a professional shop, or just getting started out and you just are looking for a towel that can help speed up your drying process, I would say this would be worth giving it a shot. I don't even think this thing's it's probably maybe 30 bucks. And again, I'll pin it to the video. I'll have the exact price, but I have paid a lot more for a lot less, and this just made that very easy, very simple. I'm very satisfied. It's, again, not even wet, so that's a huge win, and I would say that this would be a product that is worth your money. Especially if you use microfibers, if you use drying towels, if you use detailing products like this, then yeah, this is absolutely worth it. Go give it a try. If you like it, come back, give me a comment, let me know how you felt it performed or didn't perform. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this product, and let me know if there's other products that you would like to see. I'll reach out to companies and see if they'll send us stuff. If not, we'll buy it, we'll use it, we'll tell you guys how we think about it. Thank you.